Ever found yourself staring at your Airwallex balance, realizing it's a little light? You're ready to make that international payment, pay your global team, or simply take advantage of favorable exchange rates, but you need to add funds first. Sound familiar? You're in the right place. Topping up your Airwallex account is a fundamental step in leveraging its powerful global financial platform. Whether you're a business owner managing international transactions or an individual navigating cross-border payments, knowing how to efficiently add funds is key. Today, we're going to walk through the simple yet crucial process of topping up your currency on Airwallex, ensuring you can keep your global financial operations running smoothly. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch upon the why. Airwallex offers a streamlined way to manage multiple currencies, make international payments, and receive funds globally. To take advantage of these features, you'll naturally need to fund your account. Topping up allows you to convert currencies at potentially better rates than traditional methods, pay overseas suppliers or employees without hefty fees, and manage your international finances in one centralized platform. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on your location and the currencies involved, but the general process within the Airwallex platform remains consistent. First things first, you'll need to log into your Airwallex account, either through their website or mobile application. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet or balance section. This is where you'll see an overview of your existing currency balances. To initiate a top-up, look for a button or option that says something like Add Funds, Top Up, or a plus symbol icon next to your balances. Click on this. You'll then be prompted to select the currency you want to top up. Airwallex supports a wide range of currencies, so make sure you choose the correct one. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred top-up method. Airwallex typically offers several options, which might include bank transfers, card payments, debit or credit cards, and potentially other local payment methods depending on your region. Select the method that best suits your needs and convenience. If you choose bank transfer, Airwallex will provide you with the necessary bank details, including the beneficiary name, account number, bank name, SWIFT/BIC code, and sometimes specific reference information. It's crucial to use these exact details when initiating the transfer from your bank account. Make sure to include any reference information provided by Airwallex, as this helps them identify and credit your account correctly. If you opt for a card payment, you'll be asked to enter your card details, such as the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Ensure that the card details are accurate to avoid any issues with the transaction. Once you've selected your method and entered the required information, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to top up. Double-check this amount before proceeding. Finally, review all the details you've entered to ensure they are correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Depending on the method you've chosen, you might receive a confirmation message or notification. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your Airwallex balance can vary depending on the top-up method. Bank transfers might take a few business days, while card payments are often processed much faster, sometimes almost instantly. Keep an eye on your Airwallex balance and transaction history for updates. And there you have it, a straightforward process to keep your Airwallex account funded and ready for your global financial needs. Remember to always double-check the details before confirming any transaction. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.